So I want you to tell me if I'm miserable or if them put me on a slackness, because I have to hide things under my bed in my own house. No man.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So now yes, Spice, she want to tell her if she miserable or what. Talk to the woman down in the comment section, man. Sure. But anyway, what go on, people? You don't know this is your boy Unstoppable. I'm there again with another video for you. So if this is your very first time here and you're not subscribed yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get the alert. So people, Spice recently spoke out about how she have to hide things in her house. You see me? And them call her say miserable, but she said she want to know if I'm miserable or what them a do actually wrong. You see me? I said, so Spice explains that yo, she have certain things in her house and it's like them can't even stay in her house because people just come and take them as them please. You see, all things, you know what, let me stop talk. Watch out. I'm going to show you the video. Pre this.
Jano, I have to figure this. Because I want you to tell me if them put me on a slackness. Because them say I'm miserable. But I want you to tell me the truth. I saw me have to live in my house. Let me show you now. As you know, I'm the brand ambassador for Magnum Tonic Wine. You gave me 10 cases of Magnum over the Christmas. I want you to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bottles of Magnum left out of the 10 case. The people them come at me yard, them a beg me a case of Magnum, them want 6 Magnum, them come at my house, them just take out Magnum like it's a Magnum factory over me yard. I can't get a Magnum to drink in peace. I have to take out the box when I see the 8 left back and carry it in my room and I hide it under my bed. That's so me have to live. Look at me. So me have to live. Me have to hide the Magnum underneath my bed. You know me have to get a little Magnum to drink at night and go on with myself a little bit. Next problem I have now. Only know I love me like a cake and so. That's why I'm so fat. Now ask Christ. But this is one of my favorite cake. And every year my mom bakes a portion of cake. I go downstairs a while ago. First now, let me tell you how the story go. Because them claim I'm miserable. My mother baked 10 cakes. She give me one, she give my sister one, she give a friend one, she leave 2 for the house, the kids them get 1. I don't like raisin. So she bake mine special. Them eat half my cake. She bake the next one, them eat half the cake. I go downstairs a while ago, look where I put on my cake. Nicholas a cut tight, I a cut fennies, a cut. It can't work. This has to cut right out. So I just take out the cake, fold it up, put on a little plate. And I saw me after I live in my house. I hide the cake under my bed. See that? Tell me if them something on a slackness. I saw me live in my house. It have to stop. So I want you to tell me if I'm miserable or if them something on a slackness. Because I have to hide things under my bed in my own house. No man.
So to see the video for yourself, more you talk to me down in the comment section now and answer Spice question. Is it that Spice miserable or them thing they are actual slackness like Spice say? Talk to me down in the comment section and answer the question. But people, also more ask you, how much I want in our house if you hide food? Because I want to have some family members where yo, if you cook some food, then just come and feel like they're supposed to eat off everything on the left. Yo, that happened to me before. Me not gonna tell no lie. Me cook food before and people just come in and eat and done it and wash out the pot and put it down and no left none for me. You see what I say? Some more time you have to hide all your own food in your house. You ever have that experience then? If you ever have it before, talk to me down in the comments. See? But now, let's move right along to our next video about Spice. So yo, Spice, I sure we say she afraid of lobsters or crawfish, whichever one you want to call it. You understand? So Spice in that video here, I run up and down in the house because them I run her down with a lobster. You see that Spice write a caption and say, yo, me only like them after them cook. Me not like them. Watch the video here, be guarantee you gonna laugh.
Papi.
What is it? How much more though, you fear that lobster and crawfish when them live though, and crab though. You're afraid of them though. If you're afraid of them, talk to me down in the comment section too. More want to know. You understand? You have some real tough gangster girls still you're afraid of nothing, you know. But me know a couple of them there so would have never touch a live crawfish or a live crab. Yeah, me know. You see, that make me laugh. Watch out about. Let's move to the next one. Some people who don't know Spice show when named Spicy Fridays, right? Each and every Friday, Spice drop the big bad event when named Spicy Friday, and she invite certain of our co-workers them at each event. You see what I say? We see she invite people like Jada Kingdom show up before at a one of Spicy Friday. A couple other artists show up before, but this week's Friday gone, Spicy Friday was Shaggy, the Grammy-winning entertainer himself. Shaggy turn out and represent for Spice, and people could have seen Shaggy was a little bit tipsy, you know. Shaggy rum did that bust in him head. You see what I say? But me love the unity where Spice and the dancehall artists them have, how them just represent for Spice. You see what I say? And me could have see the oneness and the love so between Shaggy and Spice. Watch for yourself.
What must say your money for tick like? Who ready? All day. Back on.
Ready for the country, ready for the country.
Back on, the bone was something. The president tick like. Look for me. My money tick like a coming. One. Spicy Friday reach a Grammy. The Grammy artist is here tonight. Who say Shaggy? Say Shaggy. Shaggy, talk to it. Right now, we know a girl that take 100 million from you right now.
Short time.
You don't say no way me will spend 100 million, but right as up. Big up Spicy Friday every time. Whenever I get the memo from Spice, I have to wear loud color.
Boy, your money loud, so you not have to wear the color.
Big up everybody when they're in here tonight. Big up on yourself. At the best party in a town is in a business when nobody said. Best party in a town. From the first party is going at Christmas. And the first party is going for the whole Christmas. And the nicest party that I'm not going.
But church in the big party, we never make it something.
What is it? How was it? Some of we're bombastic, we're fantastic, talking to very much as we're fantastic, we're fantastic, there's no good on the box in the rock. I'm having a bashment party, people can't feel it.
Shaggy, big up yourself and grab your thing there. You take the time out to come mingle with we. So you know that is a big thing for me. Spicy Friday, we love you now. Big up on yourself. Table stir, I'm going to take some selfie. Because you know me have to come through the crowd, come make me selfie video with you. I love you no bad. So drop the table stir, I'm going to walk through the crowd with my girl them straight. Big up Shaggy, we love you.
You feel like a joke Spice I make when Spice say, yo, one of them girls would take 100 million for you right now. You stay there. Me know some of them girls right now would take a real 100 million for Shaggy. Cause after all, a Shaggy that the Grammy winner. Yeah, Spice say, yo, your money load. So you're not even have to wear the load colors. But anyway, me are gonna tell you no. Ono see say, you know, the unity we me talk about between Spice and Shaggy, they so how them just represent. In fact, not even just Spice and Shaggy. Me talk about any artist who represent the Spice at Spicy Friday. The unity just there, the one is just there. You see me and say, and yo, it's good when co-workers can get along in a dancehall business or entertainment industry for now whole. You see, some love how Shaggy turn out and represent, but you know also see Shaggy did jump though. Who they never see that too. The man could have hardly stand up. But then Shaggy represent by dropping couple songs for the people them, and yo, the man drop it and the crowd real. That's what me like about Jamaican artists and Jamaican crowd. When you rate an artist, you rate an artist. And an artist like Shaggy, yeah, the man bring it to Spicy Fridays. You get to me, I say, watch the man, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. You don't know the thing already. Represent. Touch me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. If you ever been to Spicy Fridays, have you ever actually been to Spicy Friday? Or you not go yet? Talk to me. Let me know if you plan to visit Spicy Friday. Maybe you will book up Unstoppable the one of them Friday. Yeah, you see it. Watch the man. Done with this. Gone, but you know before me leave, one thing I always say, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.